Imagine sitting in your living room, picking up your remote, and realize that your television is no longer a screen, a supercomputer, gaming console that rivals the PlayStation, smart home brain that knows what you want for you even ask. For 4 years, Apple has been silent. If let Apple TV 4K sit on shelves untrained, will the world move for AI, 8K, and cloud gaming? But that silence wasn't laziness. It was calm before the storm. The year 2026 is officially the year Apple breaks the record for the longest gap between TV hardware updates. And the reason is finally clear. And we're just building a streaming box. And we're waiting for the technology to catch up to their vision. Today, we are diving into the most comprehensive look at the Apple TV 4K 2026 ever assembled. We're talking about the elite A17 Pro Silicon, the secret $99 budget model designed to kill Roku once and for all, and the integration of Apple Intelligence that makes Siri actually useful for the first time in history. If you thought you knew what a streaming box could do, think again. This is the future of your living room, and this is arriving sooner than you think. For the last few years, the tech world has been asking one question. Is the Apple TV dead? We saw the Vision Pro take the spotlight. We saw the iPhone get thinner, faster, and smarter. Even the iPad got an M4 chip that redefined what a tablet can do. Meanwhile, the Apple TV 4K has been rocking the A15 Bionic, a chip from the iPhone 13 era. Don't get me wrong, the A15 is a beast, and it still runs circles around the cheap plastic 6 from Amazon and Google. But in 2026, good enough isn't what Apple fans pee for. We want the cutting edge. And the leaks coming out of Cupertino right now suggest the cutting edge is exactly what we're getting. Multiple supply chain reports, including high-level whispers from Mark Gurman and Mac Rumors, point to macro armor overhaul that isn't just a spec bump. It's a category shift. We are looking at a device that is being internally referred to as the Home Hub Pro. It isn't just about Netflix and Disney Plus anymore. It's about Apple owning the center of your home. Let's start with the heart of a machine, the processor. In the tech world, the brain of the device dictates everything. For the 2026 model, Apple is reportedly ditching the old architecture and jumping straight to the A18 Pro. Why does a TV box need a chip that powerful? 3 words. Apple Intelligence. You've seen what Apple is doing with AI on the iPhone and Mac. Now, imagine those large language models running natively on your TV. We ain't talking about the old Siri that says, "I found some web results for you." We are talking about an AI that has watched every show in your library, knows your schedule, and can curate an entire evening of a routine and based on your movie.